everybody, welcome back to Bloom's Room. Today we are going to be carving a pumpkin. Oh, hi guys. Gymnastics, books, art. Bloom's Room. Bloom's Room. First step is to grab your tools. I like these tools because they're kid-friendly. You can buy them at Walmart or any other store. And so this is a shovel. And this is a big scooper. These are two knives to help us cut the pumpkin. And we have a marker and a bowl and our pumpkin. The second step, we have to get all the stuff in the inside of the pumpkin. For that, we'll have to cut it. So first, you're gonna trace it the round of this stem of a circle and draw a circle around it. Then you're gonna cut on the circle. Make sure you cut on the circle in and out. Now we'll start doing it. Right here. Like that. Okay. Now that I got my circle around the stem, I'm going to start cutting. But before we do that, make sure you close your marker nice and tight. Time to start cutting. Okay. This one might take a second. It's harder than you think. If you're having trouble like me, ask your dad or mom to help you. Dad, can you help me? Several ones, so we're just gonna move on. So now that you got the top off our eye, use your big scooper to get all the stuff out of the pumpkin. And at some point, we're gonna have to use our hands. But once you've done that, you're gonna put it in your bowl. Start digging. If you guys want to start using your hands, that's what I'm going to do because it's fun. Ew, guys, it feels so gross. If you're struggling, ask your mom or dad to scoop it out. You might have to scrape the bottom a little. And by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, before we move on to the other steps, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on this notification bell. Now that we got all the stuff out of the pumpkin, we're going to draw the face on the pumpkin. But before we do that, I suggest doing it on paper before we doing it on the pumpkin. 3 triangles. 1 for the eye. 2 for the eyes. And 1 for the nose. Just like this. Then draw like a smiley, but then go down and make a square. Keep going And then make another square. Now it's time to draw on the pumpkin. I don't have much room on my pumpkin, but I'm going to make it a little more smaller. You guys can do it big, small, or medium. However you want to draw it. Let's start. You remember the drill. Triangles. 2 triangles for the eyes. And 1 triangle for the nose. Now, time to do the mouth. Like that. And we're finished. Look, guys. Since I have hard troubles cutting and stuff, I'm going to ask my dad again. Dad!
Hello. All right.
My dad's a good cutter. You could say that. The last step is to put your candle in. I had the hazelnut cream candle. You're going to place it inside your pumpkin. Just like this. Don't drop it, because your candle could break. Just like that. Then, carefully put this back on your pumpkin. Just like that. Your pumpkin should look like this. Now we're going to bring it outside. Let's go. Now that we got our pumpkin outside, it's time to put it down and light it. I'm going to ask for help because it could be a little dangerous for kids sometimes. Now I'm going to light it. I'm going to ask my dad. Dad!
Hello. All right.
Look how pretty it is, guys. It's glowing. Wow. This was a very fun day, but sadly it's time to end. Thank you guys so much for stopping by Bloom's Room.